Okay. All right, I got a little lost. So go. Because the thing, like if you see, here's the pond, their tank goes way back there. So I don't want to put all of that in there. But I'm gonna, okay, so we can bring this down as it bows out. Just get rid of that. And then this is the edge of the water. So you can make that dark. And really okay. I'm explaining why I'm doing this. All right. This is the thing with Plein Air. It is so easy to keep adding stuff in, and that's why I stopped a while ago and I said I was lost, because this is the focal point, and if I keep edging it over, then it could get confusing. But this is what I think. We'll see. And if I decide I wanted to add more in, I could, and just not put any more trees, or put these trees. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. All very decisive, right? Okay, so I'm going to start with my sky. And this is, y'all could use your cerulean. It's a little turquoisey, but you could add some ultramarine with it. And I'm making, it's real beautiful clouds today, so we're gonna, and I'm bringing that down, even though I'm gonna go ahead and put this in because I kind of drew it. And it's a good thing about watercolor is you can crop it. Okay, why not? Okay. So we're going to let that dry, and I'm going to come down here and put my grasses in. And I use it's called a Derwent watercolor pencil, sketching pencil. I like it because it somewhat disappears. Okay, so we're coming back here. This is our And this grass back here is actually quite bright because the sun, well, that's not right. The sun is hitting it. So, and okay. I left this dark because there is a shadow there. And it's of the trees, and I'll show y'all how to do your shadows. Okay, so Cooper's out here with me if you hear him. So I'm putting this dark here for the bank. Okay. Alrighty. And there are really little patches of dirt going around, so I'm going to put that in just as a relief for all the green. I like a little purple for my dark. Okay, so this is a big shadow right here. And then this back here is shadow. And it's kind of a lacy look because of the tree. So we want to get that. Okay. So I'm going to get some gray. Mix up some gray here. There. And ultramarine and burnt sienna. Okay, so my gray is going to go across here. And if you notice, I am using a pretty big brush. And it's bleeding, I don't care. Because the shadows are really good right now. Okay, I'm just going to go over. Try to be careful. Alright. Alright. So that's dry enough. I can start putting in my tree trunks. Alright. And this is just a mass of trees. I don't even know how many trees. There's a lot of tree trunks in there. I'm going to bring this in here because I want to push this back even though it's the focal point. Okay, good enough. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead. This creek actually goes back in here, or tank or whatever it is. Okay, let's see. It's still too wet. Okay. Notice when I'm doing my strokes like this, it's one stroke across, not a bunch of tiny ones. It's a good skill. There you go. And then I'm just gonna dab this on here because you can see they're slats, but I'm not doing slats. Okay. I have a Kleenex somewhere, paper towel. Okay, there we are. All right, and then this right in here, we're gonna make really dark. And I'm not touching, this is, I'm feeling of it. So yeah, it's fine up here. I gotta make this darker. Well, okay. There's a trough in there. Might. We will use it because it's shadowy. So what I'm going to do is add some okay. And then okay. I'll go back over this. Now, I'm not going over all of the, I'm leaving a little white for the, we want this to be a little bit darker, so I'm going to come back here. I want there to be a definition of where the water's edge is. Okay. Okay, I gotta let everything dry. It's getting soupy.